guys, it's Jaylene and welcome to Jay's World if you are new. So today, I am going to be reviewing all my old slimes. So, this is how it is. It has more down there, but the top ones are the bigger ones. So we're going to be reviewing my old slimes. So let's get right into it. Okay, so what should we start with? I'm going to do biggest to smallest. So, this is the biggest container I think I have from all of them. Even though this slime is not that big because I took some of it off for another slime. But for another slime, I wanted just the beads. So that's why it has very little slime. You see this? Perfect. Yay. So here's the slime. Ooh. It's a bit sticky. Does it poke that much? Oh. But it's a bit sticky, but this is how it looks. Next is this one. So this one is also a small slime. I don't know why I make small slimes and I put them in huge containers. That's like taking up, oh, this is heavy, all this space. Anyways, let's open this up. There we go. It looks like the beautifulness. Got the clump of oobleck. Just kidding, it's not oobleck. Don't blame me, I'm such a liar. Oh, this is what it looks like. Anyways, ooh, I just did this and a bunch of beads went everywhere. That's how you know my slimes are the worst. Anyways, let's choose this. There it goes. I just can't take this off. This is a slime. It's really pokey and stretchy, as you can see.
It's really pokey and stretchy, as you can see.
Okay, guys, so I changed the camera angle. It's like snot. Like, look, take a look at this. See that? Oh gosh. I don't know if you have seen those types of videos, but let's go on to the next slime. Because I wonder what my other old slime looks like. This one is related to this one. So this one is a more of a Olivet slime that doesn't have that much beads. This one is a more of that little one. It's a more little one, and it has the beads. It's just like a plain bead slime, like that. That's just like beads. Anyways, you cannot poke it with a tail. That is not satisfying. Squish it real good in there. Squish it. Make sure it gets trapped. It looks like a face. Ooh, this one. There's a blue one, and I hope I can open it because last time I couldn't open it. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna try to take it out in its shape. Trying. There we go. Anyways, let's play with it. This one is a pretty hooky one. Not that stretchy, but it's kind of clear. Let me show you proof that it's kind of clear. Like, so I got this slime right here, and it's pretty hard. Not just pretty hard, but it is hard. Look at this. You know what? I quit with this one. We're gonna be moving on with another one. So I'm gonna randomly pick. Close my eyes or cover my eyes. Ooh. Yay, we got the red one. Okay, so here's the slime. I'm gonna be looking at it now. There we go. So I love this slime because it's like, this slime is what I made for the rest of my clear slime that I had. But it's not a clear slime. It's more of just a simple plain slime. And it crunches so good. And to make it have a little decoration, I added just one little ordinary ball. Yeah. It's really crunchy. It's really good for poking and for spirals. Doesn't really spread because it kind of follows you. Like, I can't make bubbles with that one. So let's put that one back now. So pokey, I just love this slime. But this slime time is over. Now we're gonna be looking at this slime. Wait, what is my fidget spinner doing in here? I don't know what it's doing here. Oh, let's look at these slimes. Why do I keep getting? Oh, what is this? What is this? Wait, these look familiar. These looks like the aliens I got from the indoor playground video. Make sure y'all go check it out. The link description is gonna be down below. It was so fun. This one. So this one is another small one, and we're gonna be opening this yak one. Oh, is it upside down? Yeah. It's pretty small, but it took up half of the shape. Doesn't poke that much. And it smells like diapers. Not really like diapers, but it smells like baby. Oh. It smells like baby wipes. It's not that stretchy, just when you stretch it real slow. And then you can make it into a pink poop, which is not perfect at all. It's not. Just not. It looks like pink guts. Let's put it back. Another slime that I have, this one. Oh, that was loud. So this one is not really a slime, as you can see. It's more of a putty. As you can see, it says lab putty there. Lab putty. P-U-T-T-Y. Okay guys, so I opened the clear putty one, and I know it's super disgusting. Super. It's like dirty. It's not even clear. It pokes, I guess, good. 10 out of 10. But look, guys. It's ooh. This. Wait a second. This putty is bouncy, guys. You want to see proof? Oh my gosh. Here it is. Now. It is bouncy. Bouncy when I say bouncy. One time I bounced it, it bounced up to the roof. Right there. So that was this one. Ugh. Let's put it back in there. Dun 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 dun. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. There we go. Much better. So it's a purple slime with blue glitter and some rainbow beads. Pretty pokey, a bit sticky, not that stretchy, and good. It's a really good squishy. Ooh. So now I'm going to be doing, oh, never mind, that had nothing in it. Now I'm going to be doing this one. It's a gem one. Ooh, and it's a gem that lights up. Like, look, my slime is lighting up. How cool is that? You could take it out if you don't want it. Just keep this maybe. But it's so cool. And then you have this clear pink slime. But it's not that stretchy. It's a bit pokey and it lights up. So let's put it back. All Mine is what it's called. All Mine time is over. Now we have this one that I also got from the playground, indoor playground thing. Thinking Bob. Oh, wait, what the? Ooh, look how it came out, guys. It's called Silly Sludge. Silly Sludge. Let's take it all out. Look at this. It's like this slime. It's like so fun to play with. I always play with that. Always. I always play with this. Super jiggly. And like if somebody would do this. Choo! Oh, would you like to play with my snot? And I would be like, oh, if it's slime, sure thing. I mean, if it's stretchy and it's fun. So here's that one. So it's brown and it pokes. Look at this. Like, just look at this beautifulness. I mean, it's pretty pokey. Oh, look, kids, I'm not one. Pretty pokey. Not that stretchy though. I don't recommend it for the stretchiness because it's not that stretchy. So it comes with this unicorn charm. See? And it is not pokey at all. It is not stretchy at all. Well, you know what? I lied. It is super stretchy, like I said in the video. Super stretchy. Super. It could end from here to the end of the world. That's how stretchy it is. So, let's open this up. This is kind of like the other slime over there. Like that big one. So you can see it looks like it. So, anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscribe button is going to be down below. And also make sure to subscribe to the Life of SNR. They are bomb place. If you all want to see another slime video like this, make sure to comment. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, yeah.